The 916 T-Touch is your compact all-in-one solution for routine analysis. Start your favorite methods at a single touch of an icon. Connect a USB printer to your T-Touch and print out a report right in your lab. If you prefer, export results to your LIMS or manage them in our T-Base software. The 916 T-Touch covers all standard potentiometric titrations: dynamic, monotonic, fixed endpoint, pH stat, and enzymatic titrations. Connect a second titration stand for another application anytime. To increase throughput, simply connect your 916 T-Touch to the 810 sample processor to analyze up to 24 samples completely unattended. Measurements with the 916 T-Touch are fully compliant with the requirements of GLP and FDA 21 CFR Part 11, complete with user administration, digital signatures, and audit trail. The 916 T-Touch: perfect ease of use, superior performance, compliance with FDA 21 CFR Part 11. Contact your Metrohm sales rep now.